News 5's Michelle Reyes spoke with a criminal defense attorney about what's next.
When it comes to an international extradition, like in the case of Kimberlee Singler, there are different sets of laws and treaties that come into play. Ryan Robertson, a criminal defense attorney, explains that extradition doesn't have anything to do with the underlying facts of the case.
Does the United States have the ability to actually punish somebody, maybe more than England wants to, but it's still seen as not necessarily inhumane, but rather harsh?
Robertson explains that legal arguments for any case are typically lengthy. An international related incident like this one can take even longer. One of the biggest things weighed in this case is if a possible sentence of life in prison with no parole is violating her human rights.
Is the sentence in Colorado going to violate her human rights, and so they shouldn't extradite her back to Colorado? The court today found no, that isn't a violation of her human rights, and thus authorized the extradition.
Another question we asked is what happens if Singler appeals the decision of extradition?
She will likely appeal, which will go to the High Court of London and then maybe even to the Supreme Court of England, depending on what those rulings are. So unfortunately, for people who are wanting this trial to happen next week or next month, there's still probably going to be a little bit of a waiting game.
The appeals argument will be more about if the judge missed something in the legal analysis, like did they have enough evidence to have her brought back to the U.S., or was there something not considered? It's more of a legal argument rather than a factual argument that Robertson says can take several more months. In Colorado Springs, Michelle Reyes, News 5.